Daniel avoided speaking English whenever he could. He understood English very well, but when it was time to speak, his mind suddenly went blank. His heart started beating fast, and he became nervous about making mistakes. Whenever someone spoke to him in English, he replied in short answers or tried to change the topic. Deep inside, he wanted to speak confidently, but fear always stopped him. One day, Daniel decided that he could not run away from English anymore. He looked at himself in the mirror and said, "I will try, even if I make mistakes." That day, he started speaking English slowly, just a few sentences at a time. Sometimes he paused, sometimes he used the wrong words, and sometimes his pronunciation was not clear. But instead of stopping, he continued speaking. He reminded himself that mistakes are part of learning, not a sign of failure. Every day, Daniel practiced speaking English for 10 minutes. He spoke about his day, his thoughts, and small stories from his life. At first, it felt uncomfortable, and he made many mistakes. But after a few weeks, something changed. His fear slowly disappeared. He didn't think too much before speaking, and his words started coming naturally. Confidence did not come from perfect English. It came from practice, patience, and believing in himself. From that day on, Daniel continued practicing, knowing that every sentence he spoke was a step toward fluency.